Good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video we'll see how you can enable help me write option in Gmail. So by manual process this is not enabled. What you can do is open Google and just search for join Google Workspace Labs. As help me write is a option which is under Google Workspace Labs. So this is the website, the first website you need to open. I'll drop the link in the description. You can go through that. Here in this Workspace Labs, just scroll down so that you will find this terms and conditions. Just read them, and if you are okay with that, you need to just check the three check boxes and click on submit. And if Google welcomes you or joins to this program Google Workspace Labs, this is what you will see: success, you're in. So I opened the Gmail and just I refresh the page, and this is what I see: collaborate with Gemini in Gmail. So I click on OK, got it. So the help me write option will be enabled right now. See, when you click on compose the next time, yeah, here this is the pencil symbol. See here in the compose area at the bottom you will find the pencil symbol. Just click on that pencil symbol. If you're familiar with ChatGPT or Gemini AI, you will probably give some prompts or the hints. Just like that, whatever you want to compose the email, just give that as the prompt. That may be a leave letter, a apology letter, whatever the letter may be, whatever the Gmail subject you want to compose, just give that. For this example, I'm just writing something like apology letter to my manager so and so person as my work got delayed. This is subject moreover. So when you click on create, and I observed it took like 30 seconds to 40 seconds to create and compose an email, and it gave me this one. And when you click on insert, this gets inserted into the mail, and there you can edit. At the bottom you will find insert. So here you can edit whatever the edit or customize. You can do the customization, and you can also recreate, or second time you can ask the help me write option to recreate it for the second time. Okay, to recreate it the second time. And there are few more options like to make this email a bit professional. I'll show you that one also. See here at the bottom, recreate, refine. At the bottom you will find recreate and refine, or once it is here, you can add some more words to this email if you want. If you want to delete something, you can delete it. And at the bottom, if you again click on this pencil symbol which is help me write, you will get few options like professional, casual, friendly. So you can make use of those options and little bit alter the already created AI Gmail, means the content. So in this way you can try help me write, and please do comment your opinions on this. How useful is this help me write option for you? And if you feel this tutorial is helpful, please do hit a like so that it may be useful for others too. And thanks for watching. Have a nice day.